Each panel shows the data frames that were either generated or modified next to each corresponding panel. These data frames are the standard R data frames if using R, or the pandas ones if using Python. For example, in the first panel, we are generating two data frames in Python pandas. This is very cool when working with lots of data frames and doing lots of modifications. We can see how the data frames change through our project. This icon here is used to open the data frame in Excel in case you have it installed in your computer. This other icon is used to enlarge the data frame. You can change the columns by dragging on the column name. Notice that the number of columns and rows are shown on the top part. We can press F9 to show the data frame mode, where all the data frames are shown. When using the free mode, check the video on free versus standard mode here. Everything belongs to the same session. This means that if we create a data frame, it will be shown the first time. Now, if we run this again, the data frame is not shown because we haven't modified it. Obviously, if we modify it, it will appear next to the corresponding panel. In standard mode, it's even easier to explain. Every time we press on Run using either one of the three buttons, the data frames will be shown. It doesn't matter if we modify the panels or not, everything gets shown, period. The reason is because every time we press Run, a new R or Python session is created. For example, here I am running this multiple times. You can see it gets shown again and again.